Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video. Today we're getting a little bit cozy. As you can see, I'm welcoming you to my bed. We're about to have a little sleepover. Okay, I'm joking. No, we're not doing any of that. We're just, you know, on my bed because this is where I decided to take my photo. Why? I love my bed. My bed is my favorite place to be. Usually when you see these kind of videos, you're getting advice from people who are popping on the ground, have hundreds of thousands of followers and tens of thousands of likes and all that. That's not me yet. You guys are literally seeing me building my way up. Do your girl a favor and go over there and follow me because, you know, it's a little embarrassing how low we are over there, but it's okay. We're building. First step that I did was basically get my camera and my ring light. I'm using the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, and very importantly, I have my iPhone. Don't laugh at my phone. I know it's like really outdated, but I'm a student. I have bills to pay, I have books to pay for, I have tuition to pay. I don't have money to buy the iPhone X. You're going to be using this to actually shoot your pictures. You need to go to the App Store. You need to download. This is just for the Canon, by the way, guys. Yeah, so you're going to go to the App Store and, oh, maybe I should put on screen recording. At We in Business, so you guys can see, you know, all this stuff that I got going on my phone. Let me see, when is my period coming? You guys should really get this app, you girls, I should say, because you see I got 11 days left. That's how I feel. I tend to be really nauseous right before my period comes. That's a whole other topic. Wow, I digress so much. Oh, and read your Bible, guys. It's really good to read your Bible. Okay, let me stop and get off my phone. This is why I never finished anything. I just like get so sidetracked. So basically this is what I use to like remote control this camera. The picture that you're actually going to see on my Instagram is me in basically this exact position, but it's really painful the way I sat. And the reason why my hands are like crossed in the picture, you probably can't see, is because I have my phone in my hand. So I'm hiding my phone and basically I'm going to take my thumb and like take the picture. So I'm going to take another picture. I think I'm going to change my hairstyle. Now I have to find another position. That's another thing I suck at. Like, I'm not good at posing. I'm really awkward. I don't really know how to pose, but I'm gonna try. I don't know how to pose, guys. Is that okay? Now we're just out of this. All right, let me raise up the camera a little bit. Is this weird? This is weird, guys. Y'all need to teach me how to pose. Is it kind of cute? I think this is. What y'all think? Maybe this? I'll probably like tuck my hand down here and I'll take the picture on my phone. Ow. Wow, I wasn't expecting that to be so painful. My toes. Why is this so uncomfortable? I am on a bed. Oh, maybe I should pose with my pillow? Take a pillow or something. This is so hard. This is harder than I thought it would be. Well, okay, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna like try and figure this out. I'm gonna try and get a cute pose, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how I edit. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come on my iPhone to just show you the setup of my camera right now. I'm on my bed, as you can see. The setup that I'm going to be using is portrait. So we're about to change positions a little bit because my legs are done. I need to stand up. So I am changed. I'm in another outfit. Now I'm right in front of my vanity. I'm wearing sweats, Air Forces, and this long sleeve top from Urban Planet. So I'm going to show you my setup. It's the same setup except this time my camera is sideways. So, oh, you can see me over there too. Hi guys. After I take these pictures sitting down here, I'm just going to get into the editing process. Hey guys, so we are done taking all the pictures. We are moving on to phase 2 or phase 3. I don't know what phase we're on, but we're moving on to the next phase. Okay, now we're about to edit the pictures. First of all, y'all excuse my makeup. I know I'm not looking totally popping right now, and that's because, listen, all of my makeup is like done, like all of it. My foundation's done, my concealer is done, my lipstick is done, my mascara is done, and my contour powder is done. Like, I don't think I've ever reached a point where everything, like all of my makeup's done. The only thing that's not done is my eyeliner. So I literally had to like scavenge, like scrape out all of the product from the bottles.
You put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I tried.
To try and make this look happen, and this is what happened. Okay, so welcome to my phone. Ooh. trippy. Anyway, I'm gonna take y'all to my Instagram and why is it, oh my bad. And here we go. This is the picture that you guys saw me trying to take. This is the picture y'all saw me trying to pose for and whatever. I ended up taking these 4. The same night I took this picture was the same night I took this picture, and it was also the same night that I took this picture. I chose these 3, and yeah, so those are the 3 I took, and now I chose this one. This is the one I just took yesterday, and I posted today. Let me show y'all the truth, okay? Let me show you exactly how much. I gotta go into my recently deleted. I take like 50 pictures, and it's not because I'm like, oh, I'm so good, I could pose, I want to see myself in all these different angles. No, psych, I wish. The reason why I take so many pictures is because I literally suck at posing. Like, I'm terrible at posing. I'm like so awkward. Like, I don't know what to do with my hands, I don't know what to do with my legs, I don't know what to do with my face. So I kind of end up just taking a bunch of bad pictures until I get like, and the funny thing is, at the end of every one of my photo shoots, I never like any of the pictures that I see. So what I have to do is I have to take a break, I walk away. I used to delete all my pictures and never post them, but until one day it kind of accidentally happened where I put it onto my computer. I hated all of the pictures, I left it, and I said I wasn't going to post it. And then when I went back to the computer, that was a picture of me in red. I'll show y'all, like these pictures. I hated every single one of these pictures. I hated them, and I was not going to post any of them. But I left it for like, I think 2 days. I went back to my computer, and then I was like, oh, it's not that bad. So if you take a bunch of pictures and you don't like any of them in the moment, just walk away for a few hours or for a day or 2, and then come back and look at the pictures, and then you're gonna have like a fresh perspective, and you're actually gonna like the way you look. I promise. Like, that works every single time. So I didn't like any of these pictures. I was like, I look so awkward and weird. Like what is this? Oh my goodness. Why am I even showing you guys this? Ah, it's so cringy. Oh my god. Oh, this one's the worst. Ah, okay, no, don't look at it. Oh, stop, Ariel, stop. Okay, yeah, it's getting crazy. You've been watching these. I don't know what's going on in this picture. Anyway, you understand what I mean. You need to walk away, and I was able to refine my list down to these photos here, and I was able to eventually get it down to 4. So that's just a little rundown of my whole process, because I just wanted to show y'all exactly what really went down. I use 2 editing apps for my pictures. The first one is Makeup Plus. No, I'm not gonna change my makeup or anything, because that's just extra, and that's like some serious catfishing over there. All I do is I go to trending. We're gonna take the picture that I like. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. You see, it actually automatically did something to it. And I think it did it too much, because look how smooth my face looks. Like, what is going on? That's how it looked originally at 0, and then like they had it all the way up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dye that right down to like 20, because I'm not trying to look scary. So this is before, and this is after. I know you can barely see a difference, but I can see the difference. It did like a very, 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 very slight difference. And then I go over to foundation. Foundation, where you at? Here. And then it actually depends on the color, like the lighting of my photo, which foundation I'll choose. But today, because of how it's looking, I'm gonna go ahead with honey. Sometimes I use bronze, and sometimes I use tan. But this time I think the tan is making me look a little bit too red. The bronze is just like, I don't know, I think I'm still too orange, and the honey is just gonna do the best. But again, I think it's too much, so I'm going to dye that down again to like 20, and that just kind of smoothed out. I know you could barely tell the difference. Like, you could really like almost not tell the difference at all, but I can see the difference. It's weird, but you'll understand when you see your own picture, maybe. Okay, so then I just press a check mark, and then it's already says it's saved to my album. So after that, I go to my second app, which is Facetune, and there are 2 things that I do on this app as well. No, 3 things, sometimes just 1. It really depends on the picture. So I'm gonna go over to adjust. I don't think that needs to brighten up at all, so I'm just gonna exit that. And posture. Then I go to retouch. So I just go to details and I rub it over my eyes and my eyebrows and a little bit over my lips. Now that looks a little scary, so I'm gonna just blow that down to about 19. I'm gonna press this little, you see those double squares at the bottom right of the picture? If you hold that down, you see the before and after. So this is the before, this is the after, so you can see it's a little bit more intense. And sometimes I actually forgot to do it in the picture that I posted online, but I'll do it now just to show you guys how I would have done it if I remembered. Go to details, and then I'd actually do it on the hair, on my braids, just so that you could like see the texture of my braids and it doesn't look like a big blob. I wish y'all could see my face because I'm like actually like rubbing the hair, okay? And then I'm gonna just lower it down a bit because I don't like it too much. And you could just put details on anything that you want to really be crisp and pop more and be less blurry. So that's all I do for that. And the last thing I do is go back to retouch and then I press whiten. And this is like one of my favorite things. I just whiten the background. Everything that's white, I whiten it because it makes the image on top of the white pop. So I just, you know, rub it like that, and just rub all that in between there just to make everything pop. And then I press the two little squares to see what's missing. Like here I can tell that the bottom of my feet, right there. And if you ever get the white on anything you don't want it to be on, there's actually the erase option. And then of course my shoes, because I like really white shoes. Not that I'm good at keeping my shoes white, but I am obsessed with white sneakers. Those are my favorite kind of shoes, period. So that's the before and that's the after. That's before and that's after. See that? And that's it. I press the check mark and then I go here and I press save to camera roll. And my back hurts. So after that, I would just go to my Instagram and I will go to the plus button and, you know, I just come up with a caption. Blah, 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 blah. Usually the funny thing is I kind of think of my captions when I'm taking my pictures. Usually my captions are just what I was thinking in the moment of taking the picture. Anyway, that's it for my video, y'all. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below, you share it with all your friends, and of course you subscribe so you can join the gang so we can hang. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Woo, my bun is done. My bun is slipping. That's how you know the video is done. When your bun just says nope, that's how you know it's done. Alright, that's enough for this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.